The Department of Electrical Engineering was started in the year 2018. Our department has 6 assistant professors and 2 lab assistants. We stand together to nourish and develop the youngest department of SFIT. Although we are in a developing stage, we could furnish and conduct practicals in our laboratories every semester in a well-organized manner. The laboratories consist of 2 parts, one for experiment performance and the other for group discussions. This facilitates the students to develop group discussion skills, sharing knowledge and interpersonal skills. In the year 2019, Electrical Engineering Students Association (ESA) was formed, with students heading the post of chairman, vice chairman, secretary, activity head, treasurer and editor under the guidance of ESA faculty coordinator. Under this association ESA, the department has organized different activities like lecture series, mini project competitions, etc. To bridge the gap between industry and academics, we organized seminars, industrial visits, etc. for the students. To understand more on different aspects of power generation, we have organized a one-day seminar on conventional power generation with experts from Tata Power, Diligent Power and NPCIL. Every year, we are planning to organize such lecture series on the topics that help the students to prepare themselves for the industry in addition to what they learn from classroom studies. To make the students more oriented on hardware, we arrange mini project competitions in which students make projects that are relevant for societal and environmental contexts. This year, we are planning to conduct it in the month of April. Our current third year students visited thermal power plant at Tata Power in March 2019. Our students attended internship at Adani Power and Indian Railways. We have started a skill development program under SDC SFIT for electrical students and faculties in 2020. We have conducted a 2-week workshop on MATLAB with the experts from MathWorks in the last academic year. I request the Alumni Association to help us in arranging industrial visits and training the students to become ready for the placements in the next year. Thank you.